Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Shafiqul Islam Shaji, lecturer in chemistry, Morning Glory School and College, Sabar Cantonment, Dhaka. So let's observe an animation. So here we can see an E plus is coming to double bonded benzene and hydrogen is substituted. So here we can gauge the topic of today's lesson. Which topics are we going to discuss today? So very simple. E plus coming to benzene ring and hydrogen is substituted. So it should be substitution reaction, and this is electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene ring. Okay, so electrophilic substitution to benzene ring. Now learning outcome after the completion of this chapter of this topic, uh, we can discuss the electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. We can classify electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. We can discuss the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophilic substitution in benzene. The characteristic reaction of benzene is electrophilic aromatic substitution. In this reaction, hydrogen atom of benzene is substituted by electrophile. So we know benzene has 6 pi electron. Benzene has 6 pi electron. That means 3 pi bond. So this 3 pi bond contain 6 pi electron. So this 6 pi electron is resonance stabilized. So this is why benzene take part in electrophilic substitution, not in any addition reaction in normal case. Here we can see electrophile, electrophilic aromatic substitution. We can see this is benzene ring. Here E is reacting, that means E plus. Here E plus denotes electrophile, that means electron deficient species. This will be added to benzene ring, that means hydrogen will be substituted. This is the substituted hydrogen plus deprotonation. So now next slide we can see here benzene region region of electrophilic substitution in benzene. Benzene doesn't undergo addition reaction like other unsaturated hydrocarbon because addition would yield a product that is not aromatic. Substitution of benzene, that means substitution of hydrogen keeps the aromatic ring intact. So now here we can see this is addition reaction. We can see in addition reaction this double bond breaks. That means if double bond breaks, Hakel's rule will not be followed. So this in substitution, this hydrogen is substituted and we will get E here. That means benzene doesn't take part in addition because of Hakel's law. That means for keeping the aromaticity. Now next, general mechanism of benzene ring. That means general mechanism of electrophilic substitution in benzene. Here I have taken a benzene ring. There is electrophile E plus. So electron will be received by the electrophile and we will get this one. So this is resonance stabilized. So this is why this pi bond comes here and we will get this one. Plus will be go there. Then this bond come here, plus will be go there. That means this is the plus. So finally we will write this like this. If we write benzene ring and if we keep this sign, the positive sign, and we can write this hydrogen H plus. That means we can write this step directly. So this is the first step. That means this complex will be formed. This is resonance stabilized. Then electron containing substances will go to the hydrogen and hydrogen will give the electron to benzene ring and will get this one. And this is a substituted product. This is the general mechanism electrophilic substitution in benzene. So next, we will consider some specific substitution reaction here. Okay. So I have explained here types of electrophilic substitution reaction. So it can be halogenation reaction. That means halogen will replace the hydrogen atom. This is the halogenation reaction. That means substitution by halogen. Then nitric acid. This is the nitration reaction. Substitution by nitro group. Then sulfonation reaction. Substitution by sulfur trioxide. Then phenol carb alkylation reaction. Substitution by alkyl group. Phenol carb acylation reaction, substitution by acyl group. So this is the types of electrophilic substitution in benzene. Now halogenation reaction, we learn here substitution by halogen. So here in halogenation reaction, I have taken here chlorine. That means chlorination reaction. I will explain. Here chlorine in presence of ferric chloride. This is Lewis acid. We need a Lewis acid as a catalyst. So we'll see the function of Lewis acid in mechanism. So hydrogen is substituted by chlorine atom. Similarly, hydrogen will be substituted by bromine atom. So this is the chlorination and bromination of benzene. Now, mechanism of halogenation reaction. In halogenation reaction, we can see here. At first, I am explaining here bromination. That means substitution by bromine. Here, there is bromine, and I told about uh, Lewis acid. So this bromine will add it to Lewis acid. Then bromine will be positive, and this term will be negative. Now, double bonded uh, double bonded carbon will add it to uh, bromine, then we'll get this one. Then this is the resonance stabilized, and I have shown this previous slide. Finally this part, that means this part will join here, and hydrogen will be substituted. So you can see here aromatic property of benzene ring remain intact. So this is substitution reaction, and this is the aromatic substitution. Now nitration reaction, substitution by nitro group, that means in presence of nitric acid. So nitric acid react with nitric acid in presence of sulfuric acid, react with benzene, produces nitrobenzene. And sulfuric acid also react, concentrated sulfuric acid also react with benzene ring, produces benzene sulfonic acid. Now mechanism of nitration reaction. In nitration reaction take place in presence of sulfuric acid. So nitric acid at first react with sulfuric acid, produces nitronium ion. Then this nitronium ion will join with benzene ring. Then we can see we'll get this one. This is the hybrid. That means resonance stabilized structure. So now the remaining negative ion, that means hydrogen sulfate ion. So this hydrogen will leave the electron in benzene ring. Then this plus will be added to this negative. Now our sulfuric acid remain intact. This is this used as catalyst here. Then we will get nitrobenzene. And this is the mechanism of nitration reaction. Similarly, we can show the mechanism of sulfonation reactions also. In sulfonation reactions, in sulfonation reaction, sulfuric acid take part. So here 2 moles of sulfuric acid produces sulfur trioxide, hydronium ion, and hydrogen sulfate in first step. In second step, you know how sulfur trioxide is the electrophile. You can see these 3 oxygens are highly electronegative element. So normally double bonded electron is taken to by benzene by hydrogen oxygen atom. So as a result, hydrogen becomes partial, oxygen become partial negative, and sulfur become partial positive. Partial positive, that means it has deficiency of electron. As a result, this sulfur acts as electrophile. So this electrophile will add it to the benzene ring, by this way. This is the slow process, and slow process is the rate determining step. So here sulfonate ion will be added here. There is the positive sign, We can write positive sign like this also. So both will be same. Then we will not use this. Okay. Then this ion hydrogen will leave the electron in benzene ring. Hydrogen will be positive. The positive hydrogen will be added to this negative hydrogen sulfate. So our sulfuric acid will like this. Then this sulfonate ion will add with hydronium ion. So then we will get this one. That means in hydronium ion, with oxygen there are three hydrogen. There are three hydrogen. Among this, one hydrogen is positive. With that positive hydrogen, it will be added. Finally, we will get benzene sulfonic acid. So normally, nitration reaction, chlorination reaction, or bromination reaction, that means in general halogenation reaction, there are three steps. But in sulfonation reaction, there are four steps. As sulfur, as here, there is negative ion. This is why we need further step with hydronium ion. So this is the sulfonation reaction and its mechanism. So this is all about electrophilic substitution in benzene ring. There are more substitution reaction, Fidelkraft reaction, that means alkylation, acylation, and other reaction. I did not include this topic in this lecture. I will explain this in second lecture. So evaluation, why sulfide trioxide is an electrophile? You will think and answer. So you know how sulfur trioxide is an electrophile. Why the characteristic reaction of benzene ring is electrophilic reaction? I also explained in previous slides. So I think student can answer this. You can see in sulfonation reaction there were hydronium ion, but I did not use hydronium ion as electrophile. So why hydronium ion and ammonium ion doesn't act as electrophile? Now group work make a comparison between reactions of alkene and benzene. Alkene is unsaturated compound, benzene also unsaturated compound, but benzene aromatic unsaturated compound and alkene aliphatic. So now you can write the comparison between alkene and benzene. Now homework. So you will discuss the mechanism of chlorination and methylation reaction of benzene. Mechanism of chlorination and methylation, though I did not explain about the methylation reaction, but as you know, the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene. So I believe you can explain the methylation reaction of benzene also. So no more today. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.